Hi, I am Laxman. This video is about an application called Alice Map. So this is the application I'm talking about. So basically it is a mobile app that will be helping us in navigating or moving from one place to another. Unlike Google Maps and other different kinds of maps, you can add photos, videos, anything to Google Maps, but particularly in Alice Map what happens is video is the main feature. Video is integrated into the map, so when you walk particularly into any route, then you can just move with the help of the video, watching the video through this app, through this navigating app. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how to install and what's in this app actually. So let's get started now. If you are in Android or be it in iOS, then in the case of Android, go to Play Store and download Alice Map. Okay, this is the one. Similar is the case of iOS. Go to go to App Store and search there, and you can download from there. Okay, let's download it. So and this mobile application is a product of South Korean startup called Alice Wonder Lab. So they are currently improving a lot in this map, like adding more feature and everything. So I have been like using this app for quite a while, and it's interesting concept. So let's see what's inside. And in next video I'll show you how you can just add videos to this map, how you can navigate with the help of this map. Okay, it is okay. Now it's installed. Let's walk in through how it looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks when you open the app. Like at the top here it shows the total distance covered till now, and the routes and the ranking by the different contributors. So here below, like you can see different contributors. Currently I am in Nepal, so it is showing my current location. So if I tap on the featured section, then different featured maps will be shown. So what I want to show you is, okay, let's tap here and you can see the different featured maps. So these are the maps uploaded by different contributors to Alice Map, and like the feed is there and different kind of more features herein. So like count, views count, like this. Let me close this once. Okay, where is Alice Map? Okay, so if I go here, I can see different videos uploaded here. And okay, let's check this video. So this will give us the idea how this map works. So below here you can see from where to where the video is from, and then if I tap on this, then okay, then I can just navigate with the help of this map, and I can do this full screen too, like this. Like you can just, so this is how it looks like. So by watching the video, then you can move across the place, across different place. So this is a kind of cool concept, like instead of just taking photos or just a normal map, if you see the real video, then it would be a lot easier for you. Okay, so next thing what we need to do is we need to sign in or sign up to contribute. So let's go here and then tap on sign up, or in, so you can sign up with Facebook or Google, anything. So I already have an account. So at the top here you can see the my label and like my ranking, where I am in the distance, total views, everything. Okay, so if I have to upload any video, then what I can do is like just tap here and then it will open up the camera. And what it recommends is like the video should be at least a minute long, and the mobile device or the camera should be tilted to fit to the resolution of the video that this map needs. So this is how it works. Like I have uploaded different maps. You can do it online or offline too. So in next video I'll show you how you can upload map here. So thanks for watching. uh, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.